Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we dive into the latest and most fascinating news from the world of astronomy and space exploration. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share with you today's topic. We've got some amazing news coming in from the field of astrophysics. A team of scientists has detected a huge cloud of plasma belched out by a star 130 light-years away. This phenomenon is known as a coronal mass ejection, or CME, which occurs when storms on the surface of a star fling out bubbles of magnetized plasma into space. This particular CME was detected using a radio telescope in the Netherlands, and it's giving astronomers their first definitive observation of this kind of event from a star beyond our Sun. The team used the Low-Frequency Array, or LOFAR, radio telescope to pick up the burst of radio waves emitted by the CME as it traveled through space. But what's really significant about this discovery is that it confirms that material can actually escape the gravitational and magnetic pull of a distant star, rather than just being drawn back in. This has major implications for our understanding of the behavior of stars and the potential habitability of exoplanets. Imagine being on a planet near this star when this CME occurred. The radiation from the ejection would have been powerful enough to jeopardize any nearby life forms. It's a sobering reminder of the awe-inspiring power of the universe and the importance of continuing to explore and learn more about it. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat. We're exploring the wonders of the universe, and now we have a fascinating story that's out of this world, literally. A team of researchers has made a groundbreaking discovery, detecting what they believe is the strongest evidence yet of a coronal mass ejection, or CME, coming from a star other than our Sun. This colossal event is like a massive solar flare, but instead of happening on our own star, it's occurring on a distant star in the Milky Way. To put this into perspective, imagine a burst of energy so powerful that it could potentially strip away the atmosphere of a nearby planet. That's what a coronal mass ejection can do, and scientists have been searching for evidence of these events on other stars for decades. Now, they finally found it, thanks to the characteristic radio signal that CMEs produce. This discovery is significant, not just because it's a rare event, but also because it could help us better understand the impact that these colossal events might have on the atmospheres of exoplanets. Think about it. If a planet is located near a star that's prone to coronal mass ejections, it could be a hostile environment for life as we know it. On the other hand, if we can learn more about these events and how they affect planetary atmospheres, we might uncover new clues about the potential for life beyond our solar system. The team behind this discovery is hopeful that their findings will lead to a better understanding of the complex interactions between stars and their planets. As we continue to explore the universe and search for signs of life beyond Earth, discoveries like this one remind us just how much we still have to learn about the cosmos and its many mysteries. So, what does this mean for the search for extraterrestrial life? It's a reminder that the universe is full of complex and powerful events that can shape the destinies of planets and stars. As we move forward in our exploration of the cosmos, we'll need to consider the potential impacts of coronal mass ejections and other astrophysical events on the habitability of exoplanets. Welcome back to Star Chat. As we conclude our journey through the cosmos today, let's talk about a fascinating discovery that has significant implications for our understanding of the universe and the search for life beyond Earth. A team of astronomers has confirmed a coronal mass ejection, or CME, emitted by another star, marking a groundbreaking moment in the field of astrophysics. This phenomenon was detected from a red dwarf star located about 130 light-years away from us, known as SKM 1262. What's remarkable about this find is that it provides evidence of a CME occurring outside of our solar system for the first time. But what exactly does this mean? A CME is essentially a massive burst of energy and plasma that's released from the surface of a star, which can have profound effects on any nearby planets. The red dwarf in question has a magnetic field about 300 times stronger than our Sun's, despite being smaller and cooler. The CME itself was incredibly fast, traveling at approximately 1,491 miles per second, making it capable of destroying the atmosphere of any planet that might be in its path. This discovery raises important questions about the habitability of planets orbiting red dwarf stars, which are the most common type of star in our galaxy. As we search for life beyond Earth, understanding the frequency and intensity of these stellar flares is crucial. It's possible that intense space weather could be even more extreme around smaller stars, which are the primary hosts of potentially habitable exoplanets. This means that the conditions necessary for life to thrive might be more challenging than previously thought. The implications of this discovery are far-reaching and remind us of the awe-inspiring complexity of our universe. As we continue to explore and learn more about the cosmos, we're reminded of how much we still have to discover. The search for life beyond Earth is an ongoing journey, filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.